In this video, I'd like to talk about how to expand quadratic expressions. So a quadratic expression, we're going to end up with something where we've got two pairs of brackets rather, and we'll have some sort of an x at the beginning of each, and we're going to have a number at the end. So let's say this is a 5 and this is a 1. And let's make them in this case both plus. So I'm going to multiply these out. I'm going to multiply each term by every other term. So we've got x times x is x squared. So I do these first ones first. Doesn't matter which order you do them in. Now I'm going to do the last two. 5 times 1 is 5. Now I'm going to do the two middle term. I've got 5 lots of x plus 1 lot of x. And that comes to 6 lots of x. And there's my answer. Let's try a slightly different one. This time I'm going to throw in some negatives. Let's say x minus 2, x minus 3. So again, I'm going to have an x times x is x squared. I'm going to have a negative 2 times a negative 3 is a positive 6. Two negatives are a positive. I've got a negative 2x and another negative 3x makes a negative 5x. And there's my solution. Let's do it with just one negative. Let's say I've got x plus 4 and x minus 3. So I'm going to have x times x is x squared. 4 times negative 3 is going to be negative 12. And a 4x minus a 3x is just going to be 1x. And I'm just going to write plus 1x or just plus x. And there's my solution. Now, it does not matter which order you do these in. I do them in that order, and I end up with it in this way. But at the end of the day, you want the x with the largest power at the front, the x with the next largest power, and then the x with the least largest power. So something to the power of 2, something to the power of 1, something to the power of 0. Of course, we never write x to the 0 because anything to the power of 0 is just 1. And 12 times 1 is 12, or negative 12 times 1 is negative 12 in this case. Of course, we don't write x to the 1 because x to the 1 just means x. So that's how we do those.